Ever close Google Chrome by accident and lose all your open tabs? Or maybe you just want to pick up right where you left off without hunting around for what you were doing? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set Chrome so it automatically preserves all your open tabs whenever you close it, making your workflow smoother and saving you frustration. By the end of this video, you'll be able to close Chrome with confidence, knowing everything will be ready for you the next time you open it. Let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome. If you have it open already, perfect. Otherwise, just double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or use your search bar to launch it. This is where everything starts. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu button. It's kind of like the keys to the car. It unlocks all the settings and tools under the hood of Chrome. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll want to find the option labeled Settings. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Clicking on Settings is like walking into the Chrome control room. This is where you get to customize how Chrome behaves to suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a column of menu options. Here, find the one called On Startup. This section determines what Chrome does every time you launch it. Maybe you've seen it before, but never really explored. Today, we're going to fix that. Click on Startup, and now you'll see a few choices for what happened when you start Chrome. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice an option that says Continue where you left off. It's a radio button, meaning you can only select one option in this section, and you want to choose this one. Think of it like telling Chrome, remember what I was doing last time and let me jump right back in. Go ahead and click that radio button. At this point, Chrome has saved your preference. You don't need to click Save or do anything else. From now on, whenever you close Chrome, even if it's just a quick exit or your computer restarts, the next time you open Chrome, it'll reload every tab and window exactly as you left it. This can be incredibly useful if you're in the middle of research, working on a project, or just want to keep that shopping cart open for later. No more panicking when you accidentally hit close. One quick tip. If you're working with multiple Chrome windows, Chrome will reopen all of them separately, just like before. So if you tend to have projects spread out across different windows, rest assured, those will be preserved too. And if for any reason you don't see your tabs popping up next time, double-check you've got them Continue where you left off setting turned on. Sometimes, extensions or updates can reset this setting, so it's good to revisit if something changes. And that's all there is to it. You're now set up to save all your open tabs automatically whenever you close Chrome, making sure you never lose progress or have to search for your favorite sites again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up to let me know. Drop any questions or experiences in the comments. I love hearing how these tweaks help out in real life, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.